Hey guys, in this tutorial we'll be talking on how to create our static directory and how to join it with our blog app. So firstly, we'll go to the SAM directory in our blog folder. Let's create a new folder named static, and in the new folder we have our JS folder, that's our JavaScript, our CSS folder, and our media folder for our files, videos, images, and so on. So we'll go to our settings.py file. Okay, so we have static URL. So let's create a static root. Static root, so equals to, okay, let's import. Okay, we have import OS here. Okay, we have import OS here, so we'll just write this code os.path.join, then pass in the base directory. So this is the base directory, comma static. So this static here is the static file we created here. Then for our media URL, so let's make this one media, and the media root equals to os.path.join, open bracket, the base directory, comma. So we have our static slash this media, static slash media. So that's where we'll store our media files. The next thing we need to do is to come to our views, our url.py file, and we'll import our static from django.conf.urls.static. Let's import static, and we're going to import settings from django.conf import settings. So yeah, just do URL pattern. So we're adding this URL pattern to this one, static open bracket settings dot media URL, and document root, the root of the document root equals to settings dot the media root. Let's save that. Okay, that should work fine. Okay, let's come to our post, go to the model. So this one will give our post image field. So image equals to model dot image field. So the default picture you should put there is picture.jpg. So okay, object has no media rules. Okay, I did not spell that right. Let's save that. So that should work now. Okay, so let's go to our admin.py. Let's go to our admin. 8000/admin. Okay, let's log in now with our credentials. To do every changes in our model, we have to make migration first. After making migration, then we migrate. So we added image field there. So let's run our server again. So when I hit post, okay, to give us a default image as picture.jpg. So we have an error here, page not found. So the meaning of this page not found is that the file is not on this page. The file is not this picture.png. It is not in our static files. It's not here. So let me just pick a picture file here. Just a sec. Okay, let me pick this one and go back to my media root. Let's paste it. So let me change this picture dot jpg. Okay, so let me come back here and reload the page. You should not get any error. Okay, you've seen it now. So let's create a new post. Let's just give it any author, and let's add file. So I can just add any file here. Okay, let me add this and let me save it. So as I save that, when we come to this space, we can see that it's added to our media folder in our static file. And let's go to our HTML template. So for we to use the static file in our HTML template, this is how we'll pass it. In our href, that's the link to be curly braces and rent and percentage static. So css/style sheet. So style.css, and you don't forget to load your static. You have to load your static for every HTML template. So we'll go to our static CSS file. So we don't have any style.css, so we can just create new file. Style.cs. Rename .css. So let's just give p for the p tag. Just a sec. There's an error there. So okay, I think I'll have to delete this file. Okay, let's create another file. Let's name it to style.css. Okay, that should work. So for our home, we have p tag. Let me give the p tag color red. Let's go to our home page. So that's okay. I'm not getting any changes here. Just a sec. Load static. Okay, let's collect our static file. let's run our server. Okay, let's reload our page. Oh, that's not still working. Okay, reason why it's not working is that you need to change some things here. This should be static files underscore dir, that's directory, and this should be in the list. Let's save that. Come back here. Okay, so it's working now. Our HTML home, our CSS file. So let me change the color of, let's change this one. Let's just give it a class title, and let's style it p.title. Let's give it font size 30px, font weight 700. Let's see. Okay, you can see the post, the title of the post, I've styled it. So that's how we can link our static files with our templates. So thanks for watching. In the next tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how we implement pictures in the create post, because there's no pictures now.